Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by opening Roblox Studio and loading the character you want to edit. Select the head and locate the face decal or the face mesh part. You need direct access. Once done, enable Explorer and Properties so you can change values in real time and unlock any locked parts. Make sure you save a copy of the place first. Now you're ready to change position values rather than guessing. This keeps movement precise and reversible. Next, you move the face. Use the Move tool for course placement, then edit position, offset, or the mesh part. See Frame and Properties for fine adjustments. You can nudge values by 0, 1 or 0, 0, 1 to avoid jitter. Once positioned, create a weld constraint or motor 6D to attach the face to the head so it follows animations. If the face is a decal, adjust texture offset or UV mapping instead. Make sure the face alignment matches the head orientation to prevent clipping during gameplay. Finally, test and play mode and watch how the face behaves during movement. Use the animation editor to keyface position or drive the motor 6D for animated shifts. This ensures smooth transitions. If things go wrong, pause and check the C-frame values, confirm the weld constraint is active, and verify humanoid scaling isn't stretching the head. Make adjustments iteratively and save versions. Once satisfied, publish your
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.